Hello, students. I am addressing you as students today, as I have been suggested by a few viewers to address preferably in this manner. As you all know, today is International Mother's Day, which falls on the second Sunday in May, so it also changes each year. Mother's Day is an occasion which is celebrated in various parts of the world to express respect, honor, and love towards mothers. The day is an event to honor the contribution of mothers, acknowledge the efforts of maternal bonds, and the role of mothers in our society and our life. Mothers are one of the first indications of the sovereignty of God in our lives. Mothers teach us to have confidence and belief in ourselves. Mothers knew from experience how important for people to believe in themselves in order for children to be whole, strong, and grow with a healthy estimation of oneself. A mother's love provides for their child in ways that will outlast her own life, giving them strength and faith to live a life of worth and value, and always know when they fail, never give up on themselves or others. Just like God with us, a mother's love never gives up on her child or praying for her child. Another reason why mother is the most important person in our life is because she is always with us when we are happy and when we are sad. She helps us with hard problems in our life, and she feels glad for some good things we do. She helps us from the first day we were born. Mothers and fathers tend to have good intuition and knowledge of their own children. They often know more than they think they do, and they should not be afraid of making mistakes. Children are resilient and forgiving and usually learn and grow through their mistakes. Parents tend to be just as resilient and forgiving. Let me share with you my thought that there are only two individuals. These are parents on this earth who are always concerned about our growth in each and every aspect of our life, and they selflessly contribute towards that. We should always be grateful to them and try to respond, respect, and care for them to the best of our capacity. Nobody else can replace this relationship in place of parents. So, hug your mother and or do something which expresses our gratitude towards her and pleases her. Personally speaking, I lost my mother last mid-November while she was around 99 years, and pray to God that her soul rests in peace. Thanks, and God bless you all.